fact that you can call up an owner of a major manufacturer like this and be able to talk through a problem with them is absolutely incredible. It's almost like doing business with family.
Anytime you have an issue, you're able to contact either one of the owners or somebody at the plant.
They'll go above and beyond to try to help us. If they can't help me, they'll send me to somebody who can.
Just call them direct, and their service is great. They're right on time. Communication is with us is very good.
One of the things that we are really very satisfied with is the communication that we have with Thursday's Pools. Not only that, the owner picks up the phone 3/4 of the time when it calls, so that's kind of refreshing.
Thursday Pools has great communication. That's one of the things I guess I like the most about their company is the ability to have a question and need an answer and have a response to that fairly quickly. So it's not just an answer, then not talk to me. It's actually let's work on this together to get it resolved. So great communication.